Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the MageGee Portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard, the MK Box model with blue LED backlighting. If you're after a compact, budget-friendly mechanical keyboard with solid performance, this could be just what you need. Let's dive into the details. First up, the 60% layout of this keyboard. By cutting down on the size and removing the number pad and function row, the MageGee MK Box offers a much more compact and portable design. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to save desk space or gamers who need a more lightweight, portable option for tournaments or travel. Despite its smaller size, you still get all the essential keys for a complete typing or gaming experience. The keyboard is equipped with 68 keys, which is just the right amount to keep it compact while still offering all the essential controls you need. It's a minimalist design that's perfect for anyone who prefers a clean, uncluttered desk setup. Now, let's talk about the brown switches. These are a great middle ground between the tactile feel of blue switches and the smoothness of red switches. Brown switches provide a soft, tactile bump without the loud click noise that you get with blue switches, making them great for both gaming and typing. Whether you're working in an office or gaming late into the night, these switches offer a satisfying typing experience with a quieter sound profile. One of the most noticeable features of this keyboard is the blue LED backlighting. The LED lights give it a cool, modern look and help you see your keys in low light environments. While it's not RGB, the solid blue backlight adds a nice touch of color to your setup, enhancing the aesthetic while providing better visibility. It's a simple, no-fuss backlighting option that keeps things clean but still looks great. The wired connection ensures a stable and lag-free experience, which is key when you're gaming or typing for long periods. No need to worry about Bluetooth dropouts or charging issues. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. Plus, it's compatible with Windows PCs, laptops, and Macs, making it a versatile option for multiple devices. When it comes to build quality, the MageGee MK Box feels solid for its price point. It's constructed with a durable plastic frame that holds up well under normal use. The keycaps are ABS plastic, which, while not as premium as PBT, are still sturdy and should last through plenty of typing or gaming sessions. It's also designed to be ergonomic, with a layout that's comfortable to use for extended periods. Overall, the MageGee Portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard offers a fantastic value for those who need a compact, reliable, and affordable mechanical keyboard. With its 60% layout, brown switches, blue LED backlighting, and wired connection, it's a great choice for gamers or office workers looking for something smaller and more efficient without compromising on performance. If you're ready to grab the MageGee MK Box at the best price, click the link below. Don't miss out on this excellent keyboard. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.